Hi, we've got a fun recipe today using cucumbers that your garden may be producing right now. So join us today on Extension Cafe. Hi, welcome back. We're going to be making cucumber guacamole today, and so it's just a few ingredients that are pretty easy to, you just combine them and make it. So we have some radishes that we've sliced up too, so if you are diabetic, this is a great recipe to use, and you could pair it real nicely with radishes as your chips instead of your traditional tortilla chips. So anyway, so what we're going to do, this is about, this is one avocado, and we are going to put that in a medium bowl. And you can cube it. However, if your avocado is a little bit tougher and you need to kind of cube it up prior, this one was really soft, so we're good. This is not quite one full cucumber. If you really like cucumber, you could put the full thing in here, but it is supposed to be cut up pretty good. So, and then we have 2 tablespoons of our cilantro. I'm going to go ahead and get our tablespoon of lime juice since we've got that avocado in there. We'll get it mixed up. And then this is 1 tomato. So, and I typically like to mix my guacamole with forks. I don't know if there's probably lots of different ways you can do that, but I just typically like to use forks. So, and I'll get another one here in a minute, and then I'll use them back and forth, and they can clean each other, and they mash it up really nicely. So you can just scrape them off like that. So I typically make my guacamole with forks. And then we do have, this is just white vinegar. We've got a tablespoon of it. And then we do have 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So, and this is super easy. And especially if your garden is producing a lot of stuff right now. You know, a lot of people, you have tomatoes too, so it's a great way to use up some of those fresh produce that you might have on hand right now. And that is that. So it's so simple. And again, you know, we talked about if you are diabetic, this is a great way to add some non-starchy vegetables. And again, you can use the radishes as well for chips. So that might be a fun way to dress it up for your next event. So, but thank you for watching today on Extension Cafe. Bye.